In this video, we're going to run through the RDL, the Romanian deadlift. For beginners all the way to advanced, how you can progress this lift. For a beginner, I would go to a bench, just like shown here, and stack your knees right on top of your ankles, and with a tall chest, you're pushing your hips straight behind you. When you're doing this kind of forces you to keep your shin vertical, and that's what you should be doing during an RDL. When you're moving this way, you'll start to feel a stretch in your hamstrings, and that is what you're aiming for. After you've practiced some of the patterning of the RDL with the bench, you can grab 2 lighter dumbbells and you're going to practice the same pattern you did at the bench. So hips are high and back, your low back is neutral, and you're controlling the descent until you feel the stretch in the hamstrings and stand right back up. One of the mistakes people make is they round their lower back thinking that lower is better, and lower is not necessarily better. So you see me compensate 2 different ways here. I round with my back, or I'm dropping my hips. Neither way, you're going to be developing your hamstrings very well. So moving to barbell grip. Once you've moved to a barbell, you can go double overhand about shoulder width, or you can do 1 over, 1 under with your grip. And the third option is using straps to hold onto that barbell, so you don't have to really worry about your grip. You can just focus on the movement and feeling your hamstrings. You have 2 different stances you could take in the RDL. One is a conventional stance where your feet are beneath your shoulders, or a sumo stance, which is super wide. The sumo stance will have more carryover to a sumo deadlift. I personally don't enjoy the sumo RDL. I just think it's a little bit awkward for myself, but those are the 2 different ways that you could do it. When performing the RDL, you want to keep that bar nice and tight to the body, so you should not be letting that bar glide away from your body. Keep it close to your shins. The further away from your body you get, the more pressure is shifted to your lower back. And by keeping that bar close to your body, it keeps that bar over your midfoot pretty much the entire time. That's the RDL. Smash the like button, subscribe for more information, and comment below what you want to see next, because we're always making new stuff. That's what we do here. So we'll talk to you soon.
Yeah, I wanna learn guitar, we got the time. Gonna be 4 months till we gonna see the sound. They can leave us without. Let me share my doubts. When are we gonna leave with the truth till out?